you got? Is it ready?
Yep.
See this button here? Push that button. Oh, maybe it's actually not charged. Put your feet up. Push. Push it hard. Go, push it hard. Push, see this button? Go, push it really hard. Go, push. Keep pushing,
Keep pushing, keep push.
It's probably not actually charged enough.
Push. You have to really push it in though, don't you? You're riding a bike. Turn it around now. Cool bike. What do you think, Dust? Is it cool?
Push it really hard. Go, push. Is that it?
Woo! Tubby, look. Look at this. Someone likes it.
Come on.
Someone thinks it's cool. Look, Tubby. What do you think?
Looking kind of non-fussed.
Yeah, much like Dusty actually, not that impressed.
Me and Dad are impressed.
We're very impressed. Whoa! Get out of my way.
Yeah, one day you're going to push up the hill.
Dubs. Keep going, keep going. Mum, just move out of the way so it looks like they're doing it themselves.
It's going to wear him out. Do you want to push him down? Should we turn it around and go down the hill?
Oh, careful.
Here we go, go to the side. Ready?
Careful going down.
Oh, go push. That's the way to run.
Go, Dust, go. Keep running up the hill now. Up the hill, go. Up the hill, go. 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 Ready? Oh, be careful, guys. Be careful. Oh, Mum's going, this is...
I don't think so. Let's take one way down.
Push! Dust, push! Push. Oh no, watch out. It's going to fall backwards.
Turn around, go down. Let's go slowly, I think.
Yeah, that's slow.
Mum will go at the front.
That's it. Good work, guys. Good work, Tubbs.
Go, Dust.
Good boy, Dust. Come on. Oh no.
Oh no. Yeah, come this way.
Whoops, be careful. Be careful for Tubbs.
Let's see how this is going. Brilliant.
It's the Piper Express.